Welcome back to another video. Today we got an email from Harbor Freight. We got Pittsburgh Pro Series 2. I know we had another email just like it, but this was a different email, different coupons. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, 2 deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got heavy duty steel, greater performance. So yeah, these are the new, basically a Series 2, the gray jacks, the gray Pittsburgh jacks. So we got the rapid pump 3-ton steel low profile steel floor jack for $99.99. Not a bad deal. Rapid pump 3-ton. I would definitely spend my money on this because this one doesn't lift as high. This one lifts higher and you have a longer reach. So you got, and plus it's low profile. So it's 3 different reasons why you want to buy this one, unless you just have a basic car and you're not going to be using it for trucks or higher lifts, or if you don't have any lowered vehicles. If you have a normal vehicle, this should work fine for you. This is rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. We got the Daytona line here. This is watch the video. You guys can click on it. Well, I can click on it for you guys. Can see a little bit of it.
2 is the Daytona 3-ton floor jack. This is the best premium model that they currently sell, and in my opinion, it's really a pro-grade tool. I originally held off from reviewing the Daytona jack due to a lawsuit which Snap-on filed against Harbor Freight when these first came out, and Snap-on was claiming that the Daytona was a copy of their Snap-on FJ300 floor jack.
Well, that's the video. If you guys could check it out, this real tool reviews. This says top 5 best Harbor Freight tools. That's pretty much the review they have for the video. Pretty much on the video that they're offering you guys here. Anyways, we got the Daytona custom rating 5 stars. These all have 5 stars. Starting at $129.99 for the regular, and then $139.99, $199, and $179 for that. And the yellow one is $209. This is the one that's pretty much the same as Snap-on. We'll definitely recommend this for you guys if you have a professional shop. If you don't, my brother has that one. Obviously, it's a great jack. He's been, going for that jack. You got $20 off any Daytona floor jack. So this goes with any of these. See if I can zoom in for you guys. It's $95, $16, $99, $32, $20 off. It says low profile cars to large trucks, SUVs, built for the professional low profile construction, perfect for the lowered and low clearance vehicles, heavy duty for large trucks and SUVs. Parallel pump. This will quickly and easily with fewer strokes. So yeah, this is going to be your professional line floor jack. I'm not saying that these are not professional. These are professional too. And it basically any jack from Harbor Freight, it's going to be a great jack. Definitely recommend any of these for you guys. Whatever is on your budget. If this is on your budget, that's on your budget. Or if you want to wait for you can always wait for a parking lot sale. They do have some of these on sale on the parking lot sales. Next thing we have is the U.S. General, bigger, stronger, and build your way, Series 2. So we got the carts. It says extra deep full extension capacity, drawers, welded steel construction cabinets, 90 degree lid, durable gas struts. Yeah, these carts are real good. I do have the 5-drawer blue cart. So this is the one that I got a smoking deal on it. When Harbor Freight was having these on the parking lot sales, they were having them for $150. So that's when I decided to get mine. You got 30-inch 4-drawer tech carts, $149.99. This is the 4-drawer. This is the 5-drawer. If you don't need a lot of space, if you don't need a bigger cart, you want to save some money, you can always get this. But me personally, I would go with the 5-drawer. More space, bigger, taller. I am a taller person. So this is a taller cart for you, 4 or 5 inches taller. So definitely recommend that for you. That's $149 for the 4-drawer. You got the 26 by 22, $299.99. 44 by 22, $439.99. Got the 56 by 22, $699. Got the 72 by 22, just under $1,000. Definitely worth getting any of these. If you're a professional, if you're just starting, if you're a DIY, you like to have tools, your own tools at home, lock them. Well, this is the best way to do it. It's a cheaper way to do it, and it's a good quality. They'll last you for a long time. 8-inch professional automotive scanners. This is for the professional. Then again, but if you're a DIY, you like to troubleshoot your own vehicles. If you like to help your neighbors, definitely recommend this for you guys. If not, then something low budget. This will actually troubleshoot the vehicle too and tell you the codes. Jump starter power pack. Definitely recommend this for you guys. I do have a video of this starting a V8. Definitely recommend that for you guys. This is pretty much a budget friendly battery charger and starter. It's a 210 and 50 amp 12 volts, and this is pretty much their top of the line or their bigger unit. It's a 210 40 200 amp 6 and 12 volt automatic battery charger and jump start. 109. It's a nice engine stand for $49.99. Feel free to copy and pretty much write down the code or take a screenshot on the computer or a screenshot on the phone. Use any of these coupons. Definitely recommend this for you guys. I'm working on a review on these currently, so this video will be either this week or next week. This is the 3-ton heavy duty jack stands, $18.99. Definitely a great jack stand. I did try and get the used jack stands, but I couldn't find them cheaper than $25-30, so I went to Harbor Freight. Obviously, that's where you can get them for below $20. It's a nice tool creeper. This is a great item. You might not need it. You might think that you might need it, but when you're down there in the bottom of a vehicle working on something, you're losing all these bolts and nuts. Now you got somewhere to put them. And same thing with your tools, your wrenches. They're not all over the floor. They're in this little jack there. So definitely recommend that for $16.99 for you mechanics or DIYs. We got some dollies here. Definitely will recommend this light for you guys. Great light for $24.99. Used to be $19.99. Now it's $24. Click type torque wrench. It's always been $10. Definitely recommend that for you. Definitely recommend this for you. This is a great item. Any impact sockets from Pittsburgh, $19.99. Great. These gloves, I use them to do my oil changes, my brake jobs. $7.49. Definitely a great item there. This is usually we have a coupon for free. This is the 12 volt lithium cordless. I've been want to get my hands into something like this. So hopefully I can get one at the parking lot sale, get it cheaper. But yeah, definitely a great item there. 12 volt lithium cordless polisher sander, $89.99. This is earthquake. All this is earthquake. 20 volt lithium cordless brushless 4.5 angle grinder. Earthquake is going to be more towards the professional, so definitely consider these tools if you're a mechanic or a heavy DIY mechanic. 8-gallon portable oil-free air compressor. These compressors are real good. It's pretty much the upgraded version of the central pneumatic. So definitely recommend these for you guys. Earthquake, you got the basic brand, the basic the starting basically, the basic tools here, and then the Earthquake XT is gonna be like your higher performance, your professional duty type of tool. So as you can see, you got the good, better, and best. If you guys want to look at it that way. HVOP gravity feed has always been under $10. Definitely recommend it for you guys. If you guys have a project, definitely recommend that. Recommend these two. This Diablo hoses are real good. $18.99. Let's see here. We'll see what's new. You got the 1000 lumens LED work light, $24.99. 4.5 angle grinder, 7 amp, You got $29.99. You got the 40-inch working platform, $39.99. 350 capacity welding cart, $89.99. Anyways, just thought I'd make this video for you guys. We got a bunch of coupons here. Feel free to take these a screenshot of any of these coupons and use or write down whatever you want to do. Show them to the cashier. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.